Ready to ditch the small screen and experience Fubots in all its glory on your smart TV? Let's jump right into how to get Fubot up and running so you can enjoy live sports, news, and entertainment from the comfort of your couch. First, make sure your smart TV is connected to the internet, then navigate to your TV's app store. This might be called the Samsung App Store, LG Content Store, or something similar depending on your TV brand. Use your remote to search for Fubot. Once you find the Fubot app, select it and click install or download. Wait for the app to finish downloading. Why this might take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. After the installation is complete, open the Fubot app. You'll be prompted to either sign in or start free trial. If you already have a Fubot account, click sign in. You can sign in by entering your email address and password using your remote, or sometimes there's an option to activate your device by visiting Fubo.com. Activate on your computer or smartphone and entering a code displayed on your TV. This is usually the easier option. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to Fubot's entire library of content. Browse through the different channels and sports events to find something to watch. Having trouble? A quick tip: check your internet connection. Fubot requires a stable internet connection for smooth streaming. You can also try restarting your TV or the Fubot app if problems persist. Consult Fubot's Help Center. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy Fubot on your smart TV. Happy watching!